This is Tom from Nimba Creations. In this video, I will be applying our reusable silicone zombie mini kit and exposed teeth. The exposed teeth come in one piece. I pre-painted the appliance to speed application. The mini kit comes in three pieces: a left and right cheekbone and a nose ridge. We fit the model with contact lenses before application. I offer up the appliance and powder over it to get an outline of where I wanted it adhered. Nimba Fix is the only adhesive that will hold our pure silicone appliances to the skin. Apply adhesive to the skin within the outline left by the powder. Leave the edges without any adhesive for now. Nimba Fix is applied in the same way to the back of the cleaned prosthetic. Offer up the appliance and press it into place. The same processes are carried out for the other pieces. Gently lift the unglued edges of the appliance and apply Nimba Fix to this and the skin beneath it. Again, I use the same procedures for gluing down the exposed teeth. Make sure the mouth area is especially well bonded to the performer. I use our Sil blend to smooth over the edges. Mix equal amounts of part A and B thoroughly. I use a metal spatula to apply a thin, filling layer over the edges. A warm hairdryer will help set the Sil blend. I like to cover the prosthetics in exposed skin with sealer to help with painting. I use our alcohol-activated Perfect Palette 2.0 for the basic skin tone. I mix a light color and spatter this onto the face using a cut-down brush. Spattering adds color and texture and is very similar to an airbrush, leaving a very thin layer of color. I use our cream-based Perfect Palette 1.0 for more subtle shading and for coloring around the eyes. I mix a slightly peach version of the basic skin tone to suggest sunken areas. A darker gray-brown is used sparingly for deeper shadow areas. vibrant red for eyeliner adds a look of illness to the eyes. Using the Perfect Palette 2.0, I mixed a thin beard shadow color and spattered this on using paper toweling as an impromptu stencil or mask. I used a light skin tone and liver spot spatter colors to add larger and more subtle skin pigmentation marks and texture. Lastly, I use a light yellowy cream color to add subtle highlights to the raised features.